Good evening, everyone. This is Robert Stevens here for the Robert Channel. I'll have your latest FEMA, Federal Emergency Management Agency report here for the Tuesday, 10th of June of 14. First, we have major rundown of all events. The Twin Bulls fire at Bend, Deschutes County, Oregon. Nothing in the North Atlantic Basin for tropical weather, but the third named storm has created in the Eastern Pacific, which sports the U.S. West Coast. That is Tropical Storm Christina. Central Pacific is also quiet, but the Indian Ocean has Tropical Cyclone 02 Adam. Slight risk of severe thunderstorms. Central Gulf Coast to Tennessee, Ohio Valley, scattered showers and thunderstorms in the eastern U.S. Space weather is a little moderate. Strong type R3 radio blackouts, then it'll be demoted to R1. But no geomagnetic or solar radiation storms, fortunately. And no asteroids anywhere around. Red flag warnings for forest fires are Washington, Oregon, California, and Utah. California, Arizona, Nevada, and Utah have also a chance of elevated fire weather. FEMA readiness, blue available for deployment, IMAP blue. No disaster declaration activity. Here's a look at the Twin Bulls fire. Tropical cyclone activity isn't expected for the next 48 hours in the U.S. East Coast. But now we have Christina in the U.S. West Coast, in Mexico, and it's moving northwest. Could become a Cat 1 hurricane, and there's no threat to the U.S. right now. It'll be well away from the West Coast. Central Pacific has no tropical activity. Indian Ocean is Tropical Cyclone 2A. Winds are 45. It will become a named storm once it hits. Oh no, it's already a tropical. Well, it'll become named when it hits 75 miles an hour. Under 40 kilometers. Declaration disasters. There you go. Open field offices, there's too many to name.
At University of Phoenix, we know you can't afford wrong turns on the road to your future.
Milan, DSR, Steve, War. Just doing a little East Coast report. Rainstorms.
Get started today at no cost at Phoenix Career GPS.
Area watches and warnings. Precipitation forecast. Supposed to might have a little bit of rain. Day 2, day 3. Some rain here in the Boston area. River forecast. 50 gauges for minor flooding, 3 for moderate. Convective outlook. See, slight chance of thunderstorm. And you'll see anything. Again, it's the southwestern states that have the highest risk of forest fires or any kind of fires. Hazard outlooks, heavy rain, north central U.S. and down to Oklahoma and Arkansas.
This is what membership is. This is what membership does.
And
get started with an American Express survey account today. I can't believe how much money we saved on our floors at Luna.
And Nebraska.
So I know we got the best deal. Right now at Luna, get an incredible 70% off carpet, hardwood, and laminate flooring. And Luna has a low price guarantee on all flooring. And the installation top.
And Texas.
And warranties for life. It was all just so easy and affordable. Call Linen now for 70% off.
And yeah, here's sunspot activity. There's quite a bit here in the area, and yes, the DRAP communication is pretty moderate. It's not too serious, but yeah, because of the radio blackouts. And the radio blackouts are strong, but nothing substantial. We have never had any level 4 yet, not in recent memory. And then, Project Worksheets Public Assistant Brand Program.
Big Poppy loves Dunkin' Summer Coffee lineup with all-stars like iced coffee and frozen coffee colada. Grab one today. The Red Sox run on Dunkin'.
My first date with Mike was awesome. I can't wait to see him again.
Better than I imagined? Yeah.
There'll be a second date, hopefully, if he calls me.
The thing that determines whether we go out or not again is...
Deployment teams 26, 40, 96, 67, 38, 89, 100, plus 193. Because there's way more than the 2 will be total. And we have a lot of extra equipment for NRCC. Then everything is 100 and 100. Alright, and that concludes your 2009 report. 2014, June 10th. And yeah, we'll be back to this tomorrow later in the day. Alright.